Evelina mai kako. Aloha, Aaron Mahi here again for our last of our Hawaiian words of the month, na Huaʻōlelo o ka Malama. And this is, of course, the ka Huaʻōlelo Lakino, meaning the health word of the month of October, or as we say in the Mahina calendar, Ikuā. Our word is Hele or Hele Mālie. All depends where you're from. To go with peace and calm, taking one's time to smell the flowers. You know, we have to be careful and take care of our bodies, and sometimes we rush here, rush there. And so a good way to say is, Hele Mālie oi. We say, Hele Mālie oi me ka makaala. Go with peace and calmness, being alert. It's been fun being with you this month of Ikuā, or October. We see you next month with another set of na Huaʻōlelo i ka ʻōlelo Hawaii. He ola i ka ʻōlelo Hawaii.